Hey guys, Brian with Limelight Detailing here in Meridian, Idaho. Wanted to show you how we get bugs off the front of a car. And so today we're working on a beautiful Chevy Camaro, and this car's been on a little road trip, and as you can see, it's got tons of bug splatter on the front. Pretty common with any car that's been driven across country or on a road trip. You're gonna get a lot of this on the front. Anyway, there's a lot of different methods, theories, ways that guys take bugs off the front of cars. This is the way that we like to do it. So what we've done is we've pressure washed the whole car, so it kind of loosens up it loosens up the bugs and dirt and debris that's not going to come off with a little elbow grease. And so we've sprayed it. It's going to kind of loosen some things up. And so kind of what you have here is just a wet surface on the front of the car. So what I'm using is just a waterless wash. It also doubles as a clay lubricant. And then you've seen there's all kinds of different types of clay. What this is a Mother's, I believe it's called the 2.0 speed clay bar. What I love about this is that you can really apply pressure. It's kind of shaped like a mouse pad, like for your computer, and you can kind of just apply pressure. It's totally safe for all clear coats as well as gel coats. It's like a hard rubber on top here, this red portion, and then it's got some foam here just for pressure, and then on the bottom is the actual, it's like a clay alternative. Some guys like to use traditional clay, which is more of a bar of soap type, more of a putty that you can see that in some of my other videos. But specifically for getting bugs off the front, I like to use this thing because I can really put pressure on it and scrub it without scraping any of the paint or scratching any of it, and it's really effective for getting these bugs off. So what you want to make sure that you do, number one, whenever you're trying to get bugs off the front of a car, make sure you're not using like too much pressure with your pressure washer. Don't try to cheat the system and spray it too hard, because what you can do is you can end up, some of these nasty bugs have like a really hard shell on them and they can just rip the paint off. You can end up chipping your paint really bad. So what you want to do is loosen it up with a pressure washer and then do this method at the second step. And so I'm going to use this clay bar lubricant and just kind of dab the surface here. And whenever you're trying to get bugs off the front, like, wetter is better as much as you can. So then you're just gonna simply use some elbow grease here. And these are some pretty nasty bugs. Like, I don't know where these things came from, like Texas or I don't know, but it's pretty bad. Anyway, sometimes you're gonna get with your clay, you're gonna get some of this nasty buildup, which we can wipe off. We can scrub off with our soap, and then also polish it off. But anyway, you just work it. Keep adding moisture. So this is breaking up quite a bit of it. It's pretty gross. And then I just got a clean microfiber towel. And this is gonna get rid of the majority of this black residue. Once again, just keep spraying it, like, wetter is better. This is the part of detailing, like, this is the nitty gritty, right? This is like down and dirty detailing. This is the very non-glamorous part, but it really makes a difference when you're trying to get a car clean. It's kind of gonna be hard to tell in the video. Like, that's a paint chip. That's not a bug. That's gonna be something that you can't really fix unless you repaint it. But and then at this, I'm gonna just leave this section here so you can see it clean. Well, we'll wipe the rest of this off. Like I said, lots of elbow grease. Takes some effort, and like, we're gonna have to come through after we're done claying this. We're gonna have to polish some of this residue off, either with a polish or with a buffing compound, to get some of this residue off. Anyway, that's kind of what we're left with. Some of these is going to be kind of hard to tell in the video, but some of this is just paint chips. You know, on the front you're going to have a lot of, this is just hard plastic really, so you're going to get some of it is chipped, but for the most part, like, all your bugs are going to come off. Sometimes you're going to have to wash your car twice, depending on the severity of the bugs. This one's got quite a few on them, so we're going to be here a little bit. Anyway, this is included in all of our exterior details. So if you're looking through our service menu and you're looking for an exterior detail, our mini detail, classic detail, and Limelight detail, all of those are going to include us working on the outside of your car. So this would be included in the process. So if you got bugs, if you've been on a road trip, you need it cleaned up, give us a call. We'd love to take care of it for you. You can book your appointment at limelightdetail.com or give us a call at 208-391-3455.